Hello, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing about a cybersecurity tool called Okta. Okta. In IAM, this Okta is very much demanded and highly payable job. So come to the IAM. What is the meaning of IAM? Let me explore it. Okay, let me explore it. First of all, what is the meaning of IAM? A lot of people are actually confusing with IAM. Today I want to elaborately explain about IAM authentication authorization. Okay, let me explore about the IAM first. IAM means identity. A means access. M means management. Okay, so Okta is a cloud IAM tool where you are going to be giving the permissions to the applications for the users and all. Okay, so let me tell you one simple thing, a small thing. In the general way, what is the meaning of identity, guys? What is the meaning of identity? So, identity. This is a general word basically. Identity, nothing but something. Every object in the world have some identity. Every object in the world have some identity. The same time, in organization also, every application have some identity. Every computer have some identity. Every application have some identity. Every product have some identity. In that way, we have to remember this particular IAM now. Come to the identity. Let me explore about the two ways. One is the general human life. General human life, what is the meaning of identity? Or in a corporate way, what is the meaning of identity? Just human life and corporate life. So in human life, identity means, for example, if you have some bank account, a person have a bank account. So bank account is his identity in the bank. Bank account. Okay. So a person have some bank account for the bank. That is his identity. And a person have some Aadhaar. That is his identity. A person have some name. A person have some home. Okay, that is the identity. A person have some land. That is his identity, right? Now come to the corporate level. Come to the corporate level. In corporate level, there are different kind of applications. There are different kind of devices. There are different kind of laptops. There are different kind of printers, whatever it may be. So everything is having some identity itself. Every application itself have some identity. Every device have some identity. Every company have some identity. Every organization have some identity. Getting my point? Okay. So this identity, we want to give the access. We want to give the access. For example, bank, this person want to uh, debit some money or credit some money. Debit some money or credit some money. So he have some access. He have some access through the bank with the bank person, and he is going to be giving the details, something like authentication. And if he is a valid user, authorization is going to be done. Okay. So you are entering the pin, you are entering the ATM card in the ATM. Then, so you are the valid user or not? How ATM recognize? First of all, if the card is related to the SBI, okay, then enter the password. If the password is some credential, he has to give the credentials and all. That is some kind of system which is going to be developed already. And come to the corporate level, there is a user, sir. There is an employee. You want to join into this particular company. This is the organization. Imagine this is the organization. So this is the organization. This is the organization. For this organization, one employee want to join into the company. Okay, he want to work on some application. If he want to work on some application, this application he need access. This application he need access. Okay, identity, access. Okay, this identity and access, who is the managing things? Who is managing? Who is giving the access? Who is giving the permissions? Who is denying the permissions? Who is removing the permissions? And what application for what person we have to give. There is some rules and regulations are there, na? In the digital world, security is very, very important. Security is very, very high in the area. Okay, that the concept of cybersecurity basically. And IAM is the part of the cybersecurity. Okay, to do this, there is a mediator. There is a mediator which is going to be available. That is called IAM. This IAM, which is going to be working with SSO and MFA, multi-factor authentication, and single sign-on, and identity access management. These are the topics. One more time, I will deal. What is this SSO? What is this MFA? In previous videos, we discussed about MFA and SSO, and one more time, I will explore later. Come to the okay. These are the users. These are the users, and these are the applications. These are the users. These are the applications. There are a number of cloud applications or on-premises applications. Okta is basically cloud IAM tool. And here, these cloud applications, these users want to access. Users, nothing but developers. These developers want to access. Okay, in the company, in the organization, these users want to access these applications. Then, okay, there is some applications like this. There are some different kind of applications. It may be a Salesforce, it may be a Microsoft,